What's up, guys? I'm super excited because I flew all the way to Phoenix, Arizona to check out Workhorse Products headquarters. In this video, we're going to take a look at the entire line of Workhorse presses and accessories that they have to offer when it comes to starting a professional press shop. We're going to get to it right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. Listen, when it comes to starting a print shop and you starting a legit print shop, you're gonna wanna have the best equipment possible. That means you're gonna have to make the investment. I came all the way to Phoenix, Arizona to take a look at what Workhorse Products has to offer. So now, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, guys, we're gonna start right here at the Odyssey Workhorse benchtop models. These models of presses for the benchtop, they're not like your Amazon press or anything like that. They're definitely a durable, reliable press that's gonna grow with your shop no matter how far you go. You guys out there printing, you know how valuable it is to have a one station that you can put up a one color job, maybe neck labels, different things like that, so you can get out of the way when all of your heads are tied up with a large color print job. The Workhorse Odyssey line of benchtop presses comes in a one color, one station. This one here is a 4-color one station, and back there we have a 2-color one station. They originally come with wood pallets right here, easy to access and actually take off. You just screw it in tight, but you can upgrade them to aluminum pallets with rubber padding. Let's take a look at some of these features. First and foremost, we have the honeycomb design right here. Really smooth, easy, and modern to work with. Okay, one of the things I want to point out for you guys is that it has a fork and lock bearing system. Unlike normal nylon bolts, this thing actually turns, allowing you to lock the screen in place correctly every time. Once you got that screen locked in place, you're doing a 4-color job on this single station. You're gonna want micro registration that's on point. This doesn't require any tools. You got all of the knobs to make the necessary adjustments to make those minute changes you need to lock your registration every time. Now I'm gonna spin behind you guys. We're gonna take a look at the Odyssey floor models with, first and foremost, obviously that honeycomb design here. This comes in a 4-color 4-station and a 6-color 4-station that you see here. I love this one because this is what I'm getting. We're gonna start here. Oh, one thing I didn't mention about those benchtop models, if you're into live printing, you're gonna love it because you can throw it in your car. Their compact design allows you to put it in and get right to work printing. But back to this Odyssey line over here. I showed you guys, let's go ahead and remove a shirt. A lot of tack on this pallet right here. Sheesh. But as I said, you've seen the wood pallets. Here's the aluminum pallets. They actually feature a quick release right here that'll slide off and you can change in and out your pallets. Once you get from here, this allows you to get to fast, major production when it comes to printing, unlike the benchtop model with the one station. Now, come over here to the Mach series. The Mach series is the highest quality of manual presses and super fast design, honeycomb. This comes all the way up to an 8/8 configuration. Now we get into some of the fun stuff. Now we go over to the Freedom Press right here. This is the line of autos that you guys get to see here. This one here is a 6-color 8-station. You guys that don't know, you need 2 stations to actually load and unload a shirt, as well as you can get up to 6 colors on this. Sometimes you need a flash, which will take up one of those positions. Now we go to the next level. When it comes to Workhorse presses, everybody who wants a Freedom eventually wants to upgrade to a Saber. As you guys can see here, this is an 8-color 10-station model, and it keeps going. When it comes to flashes that you see here on the left, they got the Super Seiko line. They got you all covered all the way from a 16x16 to probably a 16x20. I don't know the full specs, but I think I'm right. Now we're gonna head over to this side of the shop, and I'm just gonna go into some accessories. Accessories just make your life better. Here you have washout booths that are available for you guys in the washout booth. having something like that, it doesn't come with a backlight, but you can add a backlight because it has the translucent back panel that allow you to make sure that you got all of those fine spots taken care of. So now, to take care of that, you're gonna wanna get the right exposure unit. This exposure unit comes in 3 different sizes, and as you see here, this is an optional drying cabinet that you guys can take a look in. I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm doing this in real time, man. So this holds 10 screens. This is optional, or it can come with the fee. Listen, guys, I'm super excited to work with Workhorse in the near future. Looking forward to outfitting the shop and getting things going. You got real high quality products ready for you guys to service and be a part of this community when it comes to learning, growing, and building your print shop. I'm here to show you guys the way. If you guys have any questions, meet me down in the comments below, and I'll make sure I link all this equipment up in the description as well. This has been your boy Stan Bates from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.